The copper prices have gave up some of their gains today in a choppy trade as a lower physical demand in China offset the upbeat manufacturing activity in major economies and supply concerns. Gian Claudio Torlizzi, who is an analyst from T Commodities, said there is a tug of war between bears and bulls in the copper market. And if we have a look at the low Shanghai copper premiums, they are pointing out a weak Chinese demand, which have put pressure on the market. But on the other side, supply issues in Chile and Peru are supporting the market. The premiums in China have sank to a record low of $30.50 a ton, which is indicating that demand is weakening for imported metal into China. The record copper prices are deterring buyers. That's also what some analysts are saying. The prices have come too far and have risen too fast. They have decoupled in part of fundamentals as some metals are simply in oversupply. That's what also Commerzbank analyst Daniel Briesemann said. China's measures to cool prices could be the trigger that prices need for a strongly needed correction in the market. Meanwhile, in May, the manufacturing in Europe expanded at a record pace and factory activity in top metals consumer China expanded at the fastest pace in a year due to a booming domestic demand. The copper, which is mainly used in the power and construction industries, is seen as a sensitive gauge of the health of the global economy. On the supply side, as we said, a strike by some workers at BHP's Escondida mine and also Spence copper mines in Chile have entered into their fifth day yesterday. So everybody is of course expecting or hoping to have a quick resolvement of this problem to see if the strike will continue and the supply will be disturbed by that strike. Another argument which is also having an impact on copper prices are definitely the elections. Supporting the market are June 6 elections in the major copper producer Peru, where we have a socialist candidate has pledged to take a larger slice of profits from miners, which will also could have a huge impact on the price development of copper. If we have a quick look at the current market prices at about 4 p.m. European time, copper is up after it was going down during midday. We are at $10,340 a ton on the 3 months price. That's a plus of 0.7%. Aluminium is losing 0.8%, trading at $2,486 the 3 months price. Zinc is going up by 0.5%, trading at $3,090 a ton. Nickel is also going up 0.5%, trading at $18,300 a ton, while lead is slightly losing 0.25%, trading at $2,194 a ton. On the forex side, we still have a weaker US dollar, which makes, of course, greenback priced metals cheaper for holders of metals or holders of other currencies. So the euro is quite trading above 122. We're at 122.40 for the moment. Against the British pound, the dollar is trading at 141.7, and against the Japanese yen at 109.63.